Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. हमारो जीवन सदा पापे रत नहीं को पुण्यर लेश. This is a song sung by Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Vaishnava humbleness. A Vaishnava is always meek and humble. So he is describing the life of the people in general, taking himself to be one of them. The people in general are like the description given here. He says that my life is always engaged in sinful activities. And if you try to find out, you will not find even a trace of pious activities, only full of sinful activities. And I am always inclined to give trouble to other living entities. That is my business. I want to see that others are suffering and I enjoy. Nijo sukha lagi pape nahi dori. For my personal sense gratification, I do not care for any sinful activities. That means I accept any kind of sinful activities if it is satisfactory to my senses. Dayahin sarthako. I am not at all merciful and only I see to my personal interest. Parasukhe dukhi. As such, when others are suffering, I become very happy. And always talking lies, sada mithavas. Even for ordinary things, I am accustomed to speak lies. Para dukkha sukhakar. And if one is suffering, that is very pleasant to me. Asesha kamana ridimajemo. I have got lots of desire within my heart, and I am always angry and falsely prestigious, always puffed up with false pride. Madamatta sada vishaya mohita. I am captivated in subject matters of sense gratification and almost I am crazy. Hingsa Garbha Vibhushan. My ornaments are enviousness and false pride. Nidralasya hata sukarji virot. I am subdued or I am conquered by sleep and laziness. Sukarji virot. And I am always averse to pious activities. Akarji udyogyami. And I am very enthusiastic to perform impious activities. Pratishtha lagiya sartha achan. I always cheat others for my prestige. Lobo hato sada kami. I am conquered by greediness and always lusty. Ehano durjan sajana buddhi. So I am so fallen and I have no association of devotees, of aparadhi, offender, niyantar, always. Shubho karya shunno. In my life, there is not a beat of auspicious activities, sada narthamana, and my mind is always attracted by something mischievous. Nana dukkhe jara jara. Therefore, at the fag end of my life, I am almost invalid by all such sufferings, বার্ধক্যে এখন উপায়বিহীন. In my old age, I have no other alternative now. Tate dino akincan. Therefore, by force, I have now become very humble and meek. Bhakti Vinod Prabhura Charane. Thus, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is offering his statement of life's activities at the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,